Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, viewers. My name is Qari Muhammad Hamza, and I welcome you to our YouTube channel, Qari for Kids, and to a brand new video. In today's video, we will study lesson number 2, Murakabad. Murakabad means compound letter. Murakabad means compound letters. Let me explain what Murakabad is. Compound Murakabad, in this two or more letters come together to form a new word, just like two letters combine to make a word in a single block. For example, let me explain you. Ba alif, ba alif. This is formed by combining ba and alif to make ba alif. I hope you understand. And ta alif, ta. This is formed by combining ta and alif to make ta alif. Read the first and second letters together. For example, ba alif means ba, and ta alif means ta. In this way, two letters come together to form a new word and we read them together. I hope you very well understand. So let us start now. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. First letter is Alif. Alif. Lam. Alif. Lam. Alif. The pink one is the lam and black one is the alif. Lam alif. Lam plus alif is called lam alif. Next letter is lam alif. These two letters, lam alif and this lam alif, this both letters sound is the same but the shape is the different. I hope you understand. Next, ba alif. Ba alif. This pink one is the ba and black one is the alif. Ba shape is the half shape. Ba alif. Next, lam alif. Lam alif. Lam. Lam alif. Pink one is the alif and black one is the lam. Lam alif. Lam ha. This is lam shape is the half shape and this is ha. Pink one is the lam and black one is the ha. Lam ha. Lam ha. Lam alif. Lam alif. Ba lam ba. This shape, ba shape is the half shape and this shape is the lam shape and this shape, ba shape is the almost full shape. Ba lam ba, kaf, kaf. Next, kaf. These two letters, the sound is same, but the shape is the different. Kaf, ba, kaf, ba, kaf, ba, kaf, alif, kaf, alif, kaf, alif, ba, kaf, ta, ba, kaf, ta, ta, kaf, sa, ba, ta, sa, nun, ya, ba, alif, ba, alif, nun, alif, nun, alif, ta, alif, ta, alif, ya, alif, ya, alif, sa, alif, ba, sin. This pink one is the ba and black one is the sin. Ba shape is the half shape and sin shape is the full shape. Ba, sin, ya, sin. This pink one is the ya and black one is the alif. Ya, sin. Ya shape is the half shape and sin shape almost full shape. Noon, sin. Pink one is the noon. Noon shape is the half shape and sin shape is the full shape. Noon, sin, ta, sin, ta, sin, sa, sin, sa, sin, sa, jim, sa, jim, ta, ha. This pink one is the sa. Sa is the half shape and jim black one is the jim. Jim shape is the full shape. And this ta and ha, ta is pink one is the ta and black one is the ha. I hope you very well understand. So that's all for today. I hope you learned and understood correctly from today's video. We conclude today's video. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe to our YouTube channel Qari for Kids. We will meet in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.